Alright, here we go with another video. We got Honda Accord 2006. This misfire, and the customer went to DMB to get inspected, but they didn't pass because, as you can see here, misfire number 5, misfire number 6. This is the 3.0 engine, and this is the number 6. This is the number 5, number 4. 1, 2, 3. So what you can do is, if you're not quite sure what the misfire, the easy way to do it is put this coil into number 3, and the number 5 coil put in the number 2, which is right here, somewhere right here. And then you erase the code, drive it around, in the misfire goes to the number 2 and number 3. So there you know there's a bad coils, then you got to replace them. But these are pretty good coils. I mean, this car has 170 some thousand miles. We're gonna clean the throttle body, put a brand new filter if you need it, so it's ready for the inspection. Probably get an oil change, something like that, so get it ready. But right now there's no way it's gonna pass because it has this. This is a good scanner too. I do have the Autel M608, but these cars are pretty nice. You know, they don't need the higher level scanners, but I do have them, you know, but that's cost like $4,000. But this one, they can do it. This is like, I don't know, maybe $500, something like that. If you wonder what it, that is a good scanner. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna remove these 2 bolts right here, move these over there, but I'm gonna take the spark plug out, take a look. If they're worn out, that's gonna be the problem. Then I'm gonna replace all 6, and then put it back on and erase the code and drive it around and see if it comes back on. Then we got to look for the coils. Then we're going to go deeper and deeper and deeper. But for now, we're going to start, the easiest way to go, whatever we got to do. In case you wonder how to do it, because a lot of people at home, they don't know how to do it, or you want to know, you're going to need one of these tools. This is Allen key 6mm, 5/8 and 3/8 ratchet. That should do it. Just unplug the connection right here. Unplug it. That's pretty easy. Take this out. Take it out. Take the coil. That's the number 6 that is misfire. Put it back in. I'm tight it a little. This is not too tight. And that's. So I got both out, and they look like they're pretty worn out. 170,000 miles. So that's a lot. But if you look at this one, this is the one that was in number 6. Right here, that thing is all the way to the bottom, right to the white thing right there. It's all the way. It's just worn out all the way down. So I'm pretty sure this is what is misfiring. And this one is probably, it's old. It's not giving a good spark, something inside there. So, but we're just gonna put a new ones in. I'm not gonna move the coils anyway, because I was thinking to move the coils, but it's not the coils. This is the problem. See, if you take the spark plug, you see it like this, then that means that it's not good. I'm gonna go get new ones. I'm gonna show you a new one compared with these old ones. All right, I went to the auto part. I got this brand new one, same one. And as you can see right here, the gap between the new one and this one is different. You can measure these out, but I can just see it right here on my hand. Let me see, the one is worn out all the way to the bottom, all the way down. See, that one it doesn't even have that little tip right there. It's just worn out. So this is the problem. I'm just going to put brand new one, erase the code, drive it around, clean that throttle body. This car doesn't have master flow sensor. You got the map, but we're just going to do a quick cleaner. Cleaning everything. Put a new filter if you need it. Change the oil, things like that. So get ready for the inspection. And this is what our problem is. That it's not. It's not another thing. This is what it is. Yeah, for those guys that you're doing it yourself, buy one of these magnets. If you don't have the 5/8 socket, it has a magnet inside the socket, so you can pull the spark plugs out nice easy, or the rubber piece that is inside. Buy one of these, and then you just stick it in and pull it right out. All right, so right now I got brand new spark plugs on all 6 cylinders, so I didn't want to record everything how to do it because it's the same thing, same exact thing. Let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now we go to the computer. We're going to erase the code. It's doing his job. So success. Read the codes. Okay, no codes. Okay, good. Now we're going to start it up. And let's see what happened. All right, we're going to start it up. See what happened. Let's wait a little bit. Like I said, 171. Okay. Start right up. Check engine light went away. RPMs are now up and down like they were before. Now they're around, let me look at the live data here. Let's see the live data. So I'll just keep it on camera just in case it pops out, but I doubt it. I think we fix it. You know, you don't even have to spend that much money, but unless the coils or the wire harness, because it's you move the coils, right, and then the coil moves, then you know you gotta replace. You got a bad coil, and then just replace it, and that's good. You're good to go. But if you you replace the spark plugs and everything, or let's say the spark plugs are worn out like this one wore, then I'll say just replace them. If you see them that bad, just put brand new ones in, erase the code, driving around. We're gonna take it for a spin and see what happened. Like I said, you don't have to spend that much money. Sometimes you got to do it, but that's the first thing you do. Check the spark plugs, coils, and then go for wire harness. Do a test with a multimeter if you have to, and keep going deeper and deeper. But in this case, it seems pretty good. I mean, it's not what do you call right here. I got the light data right here. That's the good thing with this computer got the light data. So let's go all the way to the top. Okay. Short-term filtering bank 1, 0.8. Long-term filtering bank 1, 0. Short-term filtering bank 2, 0. And long-term filtering bank 2 is on 0. So there's 0, 0.8, 9.4, 10.1. But I just start the engine. So right now, you need to be warm up, in order to look up these numbers. But I just want to see what it is. The RPMs are 791 because it's cold engine. It should go down a little bit. But before was like 1,000, then go back to 600, then 900, then 1,000, then keep going up and down. Then the check engine light was flashing, and then sometimes it stopped, and it just didn't even do anything. But the car was shaking pretty bad. Right now there is no shakes at all. You can see the transmission is not shaking. There's no shake at all, nothing. And I think that's gonna be. I'm gonna drive it around, and then I'm gonna scan it again and see what happened. If we see any code, then we gotta move deeper. If it's not, we just leave it right there and do the next step, like clean the throttle body, do things like that, get it ready for inspection, and that'll be it. So here we go. Computer's about to be done scanning the car. So you see right here, PGM, okay, green light. We still got this code because we got to take a look at this, the air SRS, the airbags or something, and the ABS too, and the electrical component. But this is what the reason this car came in for this one, for the PGM. Now it says okay. I drive it around, Now it's just sitting here, and I took it for a long dry highway in the city, and it's okay. So we fixed it. So that was it. The spark plug burned out all the way to the, all the way down. So next time you see your car check engine light flashing, just stop the car. Don't drive it anymore, because something is happening, and you can destroy the car. See right here, it's right there, not shaking, not up and down, just perfect. So if you check engine lights, it just stays on, then drive it. It's not a big deal sometimes, but take a look real quick. Just don't wait until something serious happen. But when the check engine light is flashing, just stop the car, have somebody take a look, and and that's the best way to do it. So I'll say, don't overpay. If you know how to do it, take a look, do what I did, and maybe you'll be able to save a lot of money. Then I gotta take a look at these electrical components, the ABS, but that's gonna be another video, because that'll probably take forever. I'm gonna get my bigger scanner. I'm gonna see if this one does it, but if not, I'm gonna get my Autel, and then we go by that. I might make a video for it and see if it's easy fix or something that you gotta go deeper and deeper. So thanks for watching.